Hey guys, welcome to our channel Glitter Labs. I'm your host Yash Joshi. So in this video we'll talk about some important features of WhatsApp web and how can you use your phone WhatsApp on your computer to send messages to other people basically. Yeah. If you use your computer system mostly now and in between somebody sends you some important files or images on your phone's WhatsApp. So by using WhatsApp web now you can directly access all that content on your computer system. Yes, you heard it right. I will show you how to do it. So let's begin. Before jumping into the main process, I want to tell you some important features of WhatsApp web. See, to be frank, all the features on our phone WhatsApp are available on WhatsApp web except calling feature. Yeah. So there will not a big difference in features in both the versions. Now let's start the main process. Now to use WhatsApp web on your computer, the process is very simple. Just open any browser on your computer. In my case it's a Google Chrome, and in the address bar go and type web.whatsapp.com and simply hit the enter key after that. You will see a new WhatsApp page will appear, basically a WhatsApp website with a QR code. Now you have to do one thing, just open WhatsApp on your phone. After opening WhatsApp on our phone, click the three dots on the top right corner of our WhatsApp app and select WhatsApp web from there. And then on the top right corner you will see a plus button in your mobile screen. Just tap it. Now scan the QR code displaying on your computer. That's it. You had given a login access of your phone's WhatsApp app on your computer. Now if you want to send messages to any of your contacts, see, you will see all the contacts of your phone here, and you can also search them from here too. So now from here, if you want to send some message to your contact, select the contact from your list and their new page will appear on the right side of the window as you're seeing here. And in the bottom side of the window you will see your type panel. See, in the bottom side, type a message and you can just type with the help of your computer keyboard, like I am typing here hello, and press the enter key. The message will be delivered to your contact. It's very simple. Beside that typing bar you are seeing some icon. See, if you hit it, you will get various options that you are getting on your phone's WhatsApp app, like you can send photos, videos from here. You can access your camera, means basically a webcam of your computer or laptop, or you can send a document from here, or you can send a contact also from here, or basically a new option and WhatsApp web is added to create a messenger room. We'll not talk this about here, and you can do also various things from here, like you can also see the statuses of your contact from here, like there's a button. See, you can see the status of your contact from here also. So it's a very amazing app, WhatsApp web, but the only problem is there, you can't make calls from here. Otherwise you can do all the things that you can do from your WhatsApp app from your mobile. So it's a very convenient web app, we can say, while using our computer system. If we want to download some important document that our contact has sent us from our WhatsApp to our system. So that's it guys. It's a simple process of how to use WhatsApp on computer. I hope you like the tutorial and explanation of this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos. I will catch you in the next video. So thanks for watching.